guys, it's Nitya. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm sharing with you guys 3 gift ideas. Let's get started. For this first gift idea, you need Scooby string. Use normal or glitter one according to your choice. Fold it into half and tie a knot. Now keep all separately. Now put the black one above pink, pink one above black, black one above pink, and the pink one inside black. Now pull it tightly. I'll show you once more. So pink above black, black above pink, pink above black and black inside pink one. Pull it tightly. Continue this process. Once you think the string is not enough, you can cut it off. Make sure the last knot is very tight. And yes, that's it. I have made many. This one I have pulled it really tightly. That's why I have got so many in this. This one is almost the same one, just like how we made now. These are a really great idea to gift to someone. For the second gift idea, you will need a cake tray or cardboard. Add glue on top of it. Spread it and stick a canvas sheet or a normal paper on top of it. Cut off the excess. Apply black acrylic color on top of this using a flat brush. Let it dry. Now using 3D cone liners, use golden or white. Make the mandala pattern. This is the final look. Now let's start with the last gift idea. For this you need canvas sheet or thick paper. On top of a plastic sheet, using sketch pens, just scribble on top. I'm using pink and blue. Now spray some water on this and some more water on the canvas sheet. Now press it and let it print on the canvas sheet. If needed, spray more water. Now gently take it out and wipe the water using a tissue paper. I repeated the process again. Now using a pencil, write a letter, outline it using a sketch pen and make any design inside it. Use any different font and write the text. Cut it out in such kind of a shape, punch a hole and tie it on your gift. This is a really cute tag. I would really like it if I would get any one of these gifts. That's it for today guys. See you next time with a great video. Bye.